Yes, indeedy. Y'all see what I got on my face. Top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning. Everybody listen as we speak this manifestation. From the side that just I said just wait. I'ma beat it out like sex. Going all night, just give me like and I'm straight. That's what I deserve. I'm getting money now, huh? That's what I done heard. Y'all be in the club with all them nerds. Let's go. I be at the house with a girl on reserve. We get money over here with all the whoa. Right now, it's your turn. Girl, you gotta give it what you got. Cause ain't nobody giving you a shot. This ain't no team. You ain't finna get no dream. Wake up, girl. This ain't no dream. This is all life. Champagne bottles on ice. All right, people. What is good? It is your boy, The Session. We here. We doing fantastic on this beautiful, beautiful, fantastic, marvelous, impeccable Monday. Look at my shades. What's this mean? When I got these on, what do this mean? What do this mean when I have these on? Huh? That means we made over $1,300 so far. And it's fluctuating right now because it is the morning. So as you see, we've made $1,300 on the day. You dig? We making money. That's what I done heard. Yes. You see right here. So these plays are very time sensitive. So what I want to do is show you the option plays I got in so far, especially early this morning. I'm going to tell you what I announced live on Instagram. I announced these plays live yesterday. So there's no session. You got to drop them. You got to give us free games sooner. Nah, listen. You got to do what you need to do to get the plays earlier. Discord knew about these plays yesterday afternoon. Then we spoke about them again last night. Then I went live on Instagram and told y'all about these plays, in which has brought the portfolio up so high. You dig what I'm saying? All right. So what I'm going to do is pull up the comments. Y'all bear with me 1 second. I'm going to pull up the comments. How's everybody feeling? I'm going to be telling you the option plays I got in. I'm also going to be showing you my portfolio on Robinhood as well as public. Y'all going to want to stay tuned to the end of the video. It's lit. I'm telling you. So let me just go here. I'm going to update the links. Y'all give me 30 seconds. I'm going to update the links in the description so y'all can click. If you need the Robinhood app, click my link because you get a free share and I get a free share. That is how I found PSEC over a year ago. It's been amazing. If you need public, click the link below because you get a free share and I'll get a free share. You feel me? Let's do this shit the right way. Let's both get some free. You know what I mean? So let me update the links. Bear with me, y'all. I'm going all night. Give me like 5 takes and I'm straight. Hey, that's what I done heard. You getting money, huh? That's what I done heard. We done making money now. Anybody in this amazing chat right now, like the video for me because I appreciate you. And if you've made some money so far, if your portfolio is green, I need an emoji. I need you to put the surfing emoji or the butterfly emoji. Load it up. Run it up. I need y'all to run it up. Let's get the energy high in this bitch. It's a marvelous day. It's a great day. I have so much good content coming for y'all. I already made a video. I'm recording right now. How to grow your own mushrooms. 2 different kinds. So you don't ever have to go to the market again. I got how to grow your own vegetables. You don't have to go to the market ever again. I got how I make money from home coming. I got my favorite cryptos. I got so much shit coming for y'all. You know what I'm saying? A lot of drip for y'all. Always in the green. You dig? Okay, so let's run them emojis up. If your portfolio is green today, overall. If your portfolio is green today, overall, I want you to drop an emoji. A surfing emoji or a butterfly emoji. Let's get it. Let's get it. What's up, Lachey? All right, the links are up. Everybody, you can refresh the page and you will see all the links you need. If you need public, Robinhood, Webull. Webull is what I use for my charts. I'm going to be showing y'all the charts in a second, okay? So I'm going to be showing y'all the charts in just a matter of seconds because I want you to see why everything is going the way it's going. I'm going to show you why I got the calls I got, and we're going to go from there, all right? Okay. Wait, let me uncharge. Let me unplug this. Y'all bear with me. Let me unplug it. Ooh, sorry about that, y'all. All right, so look. I'm going to start y'all off with one play just to let you know how we coming. The first play, I'm going to show you because I care for you. I care for you, and just for you being here, I want to tell you, I got last week. This is the importance of paying attention to the videos and joining the Discord. Y'all get the plays beforehand. As soon as I find out what I'm going to do, I shoot them. So this play right here is a put on Peloton. This is a put on Peloton. So if you come right here, you'll see that Peloton is doing very bad in these streets. You know what I'm saying? Very bad in these streets. I used to have this stock when I first started investing. It was over $114. Now this stock is $49. $49. So again, I'm giving you free game. I got this last week. If you got in this play with me, please drop an emoji. I don't care what emoji you drop. If you got in this play with me, a Peloton put last week, drop an emoji. Because if you did, you would have made a cool $400. 400 bucks. 400 plus dollars just by sitting here. This might have cost me, this cost me $355, and now I made, I put up 350, and then I made an additional $400 on top of that. Okay, so y'all gotta pay attention to make sure you're getting into the plays. Let me see what the chat says. Let me pull up the chat right here. Y'all bear with me. We coming up. So that's the first play is a Peloton put. And what put you asked? The one that I got was a $57 put. That was the Peloton put I got. $57 put. PTON. That was the play I got. Now, we have to remember, it's low. You know what I mean? It's already low, so I don't know how much more it's going to run. So what I can do for you is look at the chart. Okay, so we'll pull up. We will look at the chart. Whoa, I gotta pause that. Calm down, good guys. Calm down. Okay, gotta call second. All right. So look, I'm gonna pull up the chart for y'all. Okay, so let's type this in. PTON. And then this technical analysis that I've been doing has helped me a lot to determine what plays I want to get in, okay? So I'm going to look at the 5-minute chart. The 2-minute chart, we got some. So I might want to sell this. Now look, I'm about to show y'all exactly how I know. Oh, shit. I'm about to show you exactly how I know to sell. Look, watch this. So I have my chart, right? Pay attention. This is how we know. So you see the Peloton chart. You see I'm using the MA200 chart, and I also have the MACD chart. These are the charts that I like to use the best. I think I have RSI over here, right? So with this chart, I want you to see this is the line. This is the trend line. And typically when it performs under this line, you will see a downward slope. So as y'all see, as soon as it crossed through this line, right, what happened? A downward slope. Now, when this trend line right here, when this red signal line crosses this yellow line, that means a dip is about to occur. So right here, if we take this out 10 minutes, you're starting to see it's starting to reverse. The orange line is going over top of the red line. Let's zoom in. So this orange line is over top of the red line, and when that happens, that means this play is going up. I have a put, so this means I want to sell. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell my Peloton put. You see, this orange line is over the red line, so that means the stock is about to start going up. And sure enough, it's starting to go up. So I'm going to be selling my Peloton right now. I hope that helped y'all. Let me know if that helped you. I just made $400. I'm going to go take my profits. Let me get out of this play real quick. Here live on the air with y'all. Let's go ahead and sell. Boom. And just like that, we're going to add $748 to the buying power. And now, or $745. And now I take that profit. Let's see if it sells. Look, sold just like that. $745 is added to my account. All I did was put up $355, made $4, and I'm out the way. I'm not going to be getting caught holding the bag, bro. You take your profit. One thing I had to learn was when to exit, when to enter, and when to exit. Just like that, y'all saw live here on air. You didn't have to pay a nickel. You didn't have to pay a cent. You actually saw me get in and out of a play. So that was a put, Peloton put. We're up over $1,200 on the day. This feels incredible. Let me look at the chat, see what y'all talking about. That put was a $57 put. Yep. Young Draco, PSEC, my knowledgeable nephew. What up? Peloton calls worth it. I don't know that they would have a call. I don't know I would get no call on Peloton right now. You have to look up also news. News plays a big portion in this as well. So now what I just showed you was the technical analysis. So what you need to look at is news, because there's a big reason that they went from $100 to $49. There's a big reason for that. So you may want to look into it, because the worst thing you want to do is put all this money on a call and then it just trades sideways, which means it doesn't quite go up and it doesn't quite go down. It just sits there and you lose $40, $60, $80. And then before you know it, after 3 days of trying to make some shit shake, you're down. Trust me, I've been there. So do your research. I just gave you free technical analysis on Peloton and when I believe to get out, and then I got out, as you've seen, with a profit. But before we go on any further, you got to get your H2O. You know what I'm saying? H2O. Let's get our water in. If you already had your vegetables, drop that smoke emoji in the chat. I already had my vegetables. I'm feeling great. I'm proud of you. I don't know where the fuck you're from, but I'm proud of you. Make sure you take care of yourself. Make sure you control your emotions, because if you have good emotions, you can be in these trades with us. If you go into the market emotional, you're going to trade emotional. If you go to work emotional, you're going to be emotional at work. You understand what I'm saying? So make sure you even killed all the way around. And real quick, I want to show y'all the reason we're making money. Look at this new drip. I showed it. I debuted this first last night on Instagram Live. This is the new colorway of the Live Free, the free life. You know what I mean? Manifestation drip. This is my merch. This is the newest colorway. I think this is the dopest colorway. Y'all see we got the yellow butterflies on it. Look at that, yellow on yellow. Oh my goodness, you know what I mean? I think this is dope. What do y'all think of the new colorway? What y'all thinking of it? I think the drip is crazy. It feels so comfortable too. I appreciate all of y'all who've been wanting to support. So if you want to support Black business and young hustler, you can always feel free to join the Discord. That's going to help benefit you. Or grab some merch, man, because it's all drip. You get what I'm saying? It's all drip. You know what I mean? All drippy. I'm gonna put some pictures on Instagram soon too. I'm real excited about this color. I'm gonna probably order a couple more. Y'all fucking with it? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. I already gave, for those of y'all who are new, somebody tell them what the play was that we just talked about. Somebody tell them what the play was we just talked about. Who knows? There may be more room for it to go down. It could run down again, but I'm not risking it. I took my profit, wasn't greedy, made my 400 and got out. If you're into the Discord, that is an amazing place for all of my people who are new. If you're new in the chat, I need you to type the word new. And yes, Ford, ticker symbol F, has been going crazy. That's another thing you want to check out. In the Discord, they were talking about that. If you're new to this channel, I need you to type new in the chat. If you've been here longer than 4 months, I need you to type the number 1. All my day ones will tell you how it goes here. We start off every video with great energy. After the great energy is given, we tell you that I'm proud of you. I'm proud of everything you fucking doing. I don't know where you at, where you from, how tall you are, what gender you are, but I'm proud of you. We making this money. I don't give a fuck what color you are, but it's very important to us young people make some chicken, and especially my brown people, my people of color. I love you, and I need to see y'all do better. You get what I'm saying? So I'm here leading to the lake. With that being said, we've already given out a play. The play we've already given out is a Peloton, which is ticker symbol PTON Put. I gave that play out last week. I believe I gave it out last Thursday or Friday. So if you have not paid attention, it's very important you turn that notification symbol, the notification bell, turn that shit on. YouTube had me shadow banned, so as well as Instagram, but now I'm back. I'm starting to get back into the algorithm, so I need y'all to turn that notification symbol on. So that way it lets you know when my beautiful face is on here. Okay. Let me see what the chat says. I think I invested in Ford back when I joined the group. Yeah, Ford's always a good stock. I mean, it's a traditional American company. It's a very good American automotive company. I believe one of the oldest, if not the oldest. They've been making vehicles and have no plan to ever slow down. I think they were one of the first companies to have an assembly line of people and then robotics. So, you know, Ford churns out vehicles. They churns out vehicles, and they've been doing it for some time. And Lord knows they're going to get into the EV space. Everybody's going to get into the EV space. Join the Discord, best $5 or $10 exactly. Lucid, new Peloton Put for what? The Peloton Put I had for November the 12th. Okay, so I want y'all to see. Again, there's no cap. This is a $1,200 day. $1,200 we made by just sitting in the crib. Didn't go nowhere. All I did was debut some amazing merch. Okay, so that's amazing. That's incredible. Very happy there. All right. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna run down my portfolio. I only have 6 stocks. I suggest you get a pin out, especially if you're a new investor, especially if you don't know what you're doing and you're going to ask me, you're going to DM me, what plays should I get in? What are some good dividend stocks? What? Pay attention, because what I'm going to do for you right now, I'm going to run through my Robinhood portfolio, then I'm going to take you over to public, and I'm going to show you all the stocks I have, okay? Now, I'm going to do this rather quick. All this shit will get done in 2 minutes unless I have something to say about the stock. In under 2 minutes, this will get done. Get your pencil ready. Once I do it once, I'm not doing it again. All right, people, here we go. And you're going to want to stay tuned to the end because I have 2 more option plays in which I got that you're going to want to see. All right, so boom, here we go. First, PSEC. PSEC, we up on the day, 4.37%. Very beautiful. With PSEC, this is my second favorite dividend stock. I don't know what other language to say it. Second favorite dividend stock. This is PSEC. You see right here, I have a dividend pending for $8. They pay me every quarter. I'm up on the day, $50 just on the play. Actually, look at this. A couple months ago, I got an option call for 2022 on a whim. And as you see, it is up $15. I'm up $30 on the day. So PSEC is beautiful. The dividend yield percentage is 8.6%. If you're looking for a dividend stock, I'm not telling you what to do because I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just saying, if I was you, I would check this shit out. Okay, that's PSEC. Next is NEO. NEO is up 3.5% on the day. That's $130 in just shares for me. I made $130 just sitting at the house. This is NEO. If you're just joining the stream right now, I'm running through my stocks that I have, telling you if they're up or down. I'm doing it on both portfolios. Okay. Next, we're at AMC. AMC is up 7.3%. That's another 120. Another 120. Spell it. NIO was NEO. NIO. AMC is the ticker symbol. AMC. That's for Loud Bass, who said that. This is up $1.26 on the day. Beautiful. I got 41 shares. Y'all see, very beautiful, very smooth, very peaceful on the punk bitch. Shout out to Larry Jr. We got CSWC. This one has been sideways the last 2 days. This is at 27.34. It's down only 0.5%. Okay, but they paid a shit out of me in dividend stocks. I mean, in dividend payouts. This is 6.18% dividend percent yield. So this is what they pay out, 6%. Another great dividend stock. Just putting it out there. Everyone talks about dividend stocks, and where can you find more good dividend stocks? You can check out the past videos I made on them, or you can check the Discord out because we have a channel that talks just about long-term stocks. Then we talk about just dividend stocks. Next, Mara. Oh my lord. This thing was up as high as 20% today. This thing was up as high as 20% today. You'll see. I'm going to give you one of the plays right now. Mara, you're going to want to write this down. We're not spending long on this. Mara, the call I got that you see, beautiful, clear as day, made me over $200. It made me over $200. I got a $65 call. Now, one thing I did notice is that I tried to push this through last night at the previous strike price, but obviously the stock had a high volume, right? So in the morning, the price raised significantly. So the call that I tried to put through did not go through. With that being said, I did notice that the Mara calls they're more expensive than usual. So I say that shit going in. Look at it when you go in there. You may want to get yourself a more affordable call. If I was to go in now and try to get the call, let me even make sure I would still get it. Okay, we're gonna go through this. Okay, here we go, people. So I look at the Bitcoin chart and I look to see how that's trading. So right now Bitcoin is still it says 66,000, but right now it's going down because that line just went underneath the signal line. But it does have potential to go up. So if I was going to get a Mara call right now, what I would do, Wow, it will be very risky to get into it right now because it's already $75. This morning it was $69. I'm telling you, this shit is on fire. It might have been less than that. It might have been 65 bucks or some crazy shit. Okay, so if I was going to get into a play now, I look for in the money plays, which means it's already at or past the price, the break even price. So what I would be looking at is it would cost me a couple dollars. So I would look at a $62 or no, I would look at a $63 or $64 call. A $62 or $63 call from Mara, and that's going to cost you about $1,300 to $1,400. Again, this is one of the benefits of being in the Discord because I can't control how fast the market grows. When I wanted to come and tell y'all about this play, this shit was not $76. It was not. And I can show you here when I wanted to show y'all about the play, literally at 6:30 this morning it was $70. It was $70. I wanted to come on here and tell y'all about it so that way y'all can get into it and eat as well. But now this shit is $75 and change. It's about to be $76 again. So get in at your own risk. But Bitcoin, I think, is going to have another surge. I do see on the 10-minute chart Bitcoin to be going up. So let's plan on Bitcoin going up. 70,000, I think. 100,000 is what they're looking for by the end of the year. We think it can get to 100,000. So you might want to look at a call on Mara. Next. Oh, and by the way, I also made. I just want to show y'all how I'm not light flex. Just by sitting here, we made an additional $300 just in shares. $330 just in shares of Mara, and then I made an additional $250 just from having one option call. So you looking at a $250 plus three, but you looking at almost a $600 swing just by sitting here today. Okay, so that's Mara. Next, we have my baby that y'all slept on, but I kept and I held it down, and that's Arrowhead. I've had this over a year. Ticker symbol ARWR. Arrowhead Pharmaceutical. I always like to keep one health company in my portfolio. And I made 30 bucks with them today. So it's very good to see them back in the 80s. That is my Robinhood thing. I have one more play for y'all. You're going to want to wait to the end of the video, and I'll tell you what that play is. Okay, so I showed y'all my whole Robinhood portfolio. Everything is up. On the day, we were up $1,200.44. Let's check out the public portfolio. And again, if y'all need public, if you need Robinhood, if you need any of them apps, Webull for the charts, how I just showed you, hit the description below. I got you. You get a free stock, and I get a free stock. It's lit. Trust me. All right, so this is my public portfolio. Again, I really can't stress this enough. If you don't want, if you're like, okay, I don't want to support and I don't want to pay the $5, $10, $15, I'm skeptical. Get public, and then you can see my trades. I post all of my trades publicly, and as you see, they're getting some of the highest views on the platform. 5,000, 2,000. They're getting viewed on a frequent basis. So yeah, every post is 2,000, 4,000. So if you need to see what plays I'm making, you can come in here and see all the plays I'm making on this public portfolio. You should do big money calls and small money calls. Thank you, Nando, for telling me what to do with my money. But Nando, the beautiful thing about this is you can make that and put that on your YouTube and have your your people follow you and watch you fuck around with your money. Okay, Nando? Check it out. Okay, next, I'm going to run down every stock that I have, and I'm going to tell you if it's up or down today. Here we go. Tesla. Tesla's down. Oh, shit. Tesla's down. Why is it not letting me click? What, they changed the app? Oh, they must have changed it. Okay, Tesla is down today, $38, which is 3%. But look at this. From being a Tesla holder, I am up $1,100 just by being a shareholder. I stress the importance of this to y'all. I'll tell y'all about this. Teledoc. Teledoc is next. We have Teledoc is just broke even, 0% on the day, 146. But I did make some money, as y'all see. Made almost $100, $96. Dope. Disney was on sale. I tried to tell y'all to get in on it, man. It was under $170. Disney was on sale. I told y'all about it. And I grabbed it. I grabbed it. As you see, I grabbed it. I was up. I was at 180 something dollars. I bought enough shares to average down. So I feel good about my position in Disney. Every time it drops, I'll average down. 111 people in here. That's the angel number. Nike is down today, down almost 4%. So for those of y'all, if you have these stocks that I always tell you about, one thing I like to do is check my stocks that I already have. I put them on the chart, and then you can see if they're going to stay down. You can see if they're going to go up. You can kind of predict some of the trend lines and see what's going to go on. So those of you who got Nike puts, you would have eaten today because it went down almost 4%. You would have eaten today. I'm up $173 on Nike. Beam, this is another one I've told y'all about. Had it over a year in my Webull portfolio. Introduced it to my public portfolio a little bit ago. Last week I introduced it, and I'm up $25 on the position, and that's Beam. This is my pharmaceutical company for this portfolio. I have 2 health stocks in this portfolio, Teledoc and Beam. Next we have Apple. Apple is down on the day a little bit, but I'm up $76 on the position. AVXL. A lot of y'all don't know about this one. I've had this one for almost a year, 280 days. And as you see, we're up on the position. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And last but certainly not least is Costco. We made $100 with Costco. Okay, so that has been a public portfolio. If y'all like public as much as I do, and you want more of those giveaways where they give away merch and dope ass shit, you make sure you go check them out. This is an amazing application. If you need the app, you go ahead and click the link in my description. I got it for you. Shout out to Arrowhead who just joined the Discord. I appreciate you. Public is fire. All the stocks I just gave you, and I guarantee a couple of them y'all never even heard about. Beam, guess who has heard of it? Kathy Wood has it. She has, I don't know, over 50,000 shares of it or some crazy shit, 100,000 shares of it. Teledoc, she has over 400,000 shares in that, I believe. That's Teledoc. AVXL, that's another one I found. So these are ones that I pride myself on finding for the family that other people are not necessarily on. You know, it doesn't really matter what you invest in. I don't give a fuck what you invest in. But I'm just, trying to find some different shit that's not repeating what's already on YouTube or copying off someone else's moves. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm prideful in that. So those are 2 of the plays. The last play for y'all sticking around is going to be the play that I got in BTBT. Okay? Now, it was a very cheap. This is much cheaper. HUT, which is HUT. BTBT. ANY. I'm giving y'all game right here. Again, listen to me. When Bitcoin goes up or down, those companies directly mine Bitcoin or have an affiliation with Bitcoin. ANY, I don't think mines it, but they have some sort of software with it, right? Okay? With that being said, when Annie, HUT, BTBT, Riot, Mara will go up. They move pretty much synonymous with the Bitcoin chart, okay? I'm telling you. So when you see that shit moving, you can go ahead and get you an option call or put or whatever have you. I got a $10 call. It was pretty cheap, but pretty affordable. Okay, a $10 call on BTBT. 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 Again, when I'm telling y'all about these plays, you have to do your own due diligence. I can't hold your hand for you and help all 70,000 or 71,000 of you, but listen, I got the $65 call in Mara. You have to go with what's in your budget, and you have to understand how much is it going to run up, okay? So if you're late on a play, my theory would be let me put up more bread to get an in-the-money call, because at least I can get some profit, whether it be big, little, or small, and I don't have to hold it a long time. You have to also see how many day trades your account has. You have to do your own research because your shit isn't going to look just like mine. But one thing you can do is say, okay, he pointed me in the right direction. I may have to get $11 call. I may have to get, you know what I mean? But the call I'm showing you is a $10 call. It's not expensive, and I'm up $3 on it. I was up $5 on it. As Bitcoin continues to go up, these plays will go up. Bitcoin right now is at $66,121. This looks amazing. I'm excited. These are my option plays of the day. Not only did I give you one, I gave you 3. I gave you 3 plays, and I showed you live on air the technical analysis of it, when I got out of it. Let me see what Bitcoin's doing here. And Bitcoin is looking like it's going to have another surge right here. So this is good. So if you are interested in that Mara call, the Riot, Hut, you don't have to get Mara per se. Look at your budget. Again, look at your budget. You feel me? You may want to grab Riot this time. You may want to grab HUT, BTBT, something along that area. Just look at your budget, look at the chart, and look at how much does it directly depend on Bitcoin. Because whatever, it's probably going to mirror. Mara mirrors what Bitcoin does. Ethereum mirrors what Bitcoin does. Shiba Inu, before I get out of here, how many of y'all have Shiba Inu? Drop an emoji in the chart if y'all have Shiba. And then I want you to drop a fire emoji in the chart, in the chat, if you have Shiba and you actually think it's going to be a long-lasting crypto coin that's going to bring you abundance for a long time. I want to see this. Make sure you like the video too. We should have well over 100 likes in here because we have well over 100 people. Let's go, people. Like this video. No way. No. I didn't give y'all, I'm giving y'all free game. I'll give you 3 option plays in one video. I showed you 2 portfolios. I answer all your questions. The least y'all could do is like the video for me. You get what I mean? I need to rank in this algorithm. So the more y'all help me, the more I help y'all. This shit takes time for me to look up these charts and look up this information. Y'all like the video for me, I would greatly appreciate it. There's almost 115 people in here. Come on now. It don't cost no money. Use your thumb. Because as a creator, y'all gotta understand this is how we make money. This is how we make a living. So I need to continue to rank. I'm showing y'all how to make money and free yourself, right? So help me out with a like on the video. I greatly appreciate it. It's 111 people in here. I'm a marinate until y'all at least get the likes up to 80 likes. Like, this is crazy. And it's also dope because this helps you weed out kind of the people who are here just to, some people just check in on your channel to see, he talking shit, he or she is talking shit, or they're not doing. Some people just peek in and want to just peek in, but if you getting value and you actually making money and you part of the family and part of the gang, and you don't want to pay any money, the least you could do is like this. Okay, appreciate it. Thank y'all. Okay, so let me check out Bitcoin here. Bitcoin 6608. Let me see. On the 1 minute chart. Ooh, on the 2 minute chart, it's a little ugly. On the 1 minute chart, it's nice though. So what I'm going to do is reserve judgment. I do think Bitcoin is going to have a chance to surge. I do think Bitcoin's going to go up again today. Shiba Inu, my belief is this shit is made as a joke. Go to Google, type in Shiba Inu, it'll say made as a joke, meme coin. Dogecoin, made as a joke. Remember how hype it was? Do y'all remember how hype it was and then suddenly gone? Matic, all these companies were made like there's every couple months there's going to be a new coin to take your attention off some shit, and then it's going to have all these teeny boppers and teenage people becoming gurus, okay? And you're going to have all these people who suddenly know so much because all they did was randomly toss money into random crypto coins, and then it went up. One of them went up. And then when that happens, everyone's going to text you about it. Everyone's going to talk about it on social media. Everyone's going to fucking text you, email you, and tell you, hey man, you should really, hey man, you should really, hey man, you should really. But if you go in and see what the company is, it's a joke. The only reason the market cap has grown is because of the popularity. We made it go there. So I'm not saying it's a bad company. I'm not saying people aren't going to make money. My opinion of the shit is it's a meme. It's a joke. So I got my meme stocks that I'm going to make money on. I got AMC. I had the Doge. Those were the memes I believed in. And then I have my crypto that I believe in. I have Cardano, Ethereum, Ripple. I have some Matic, and I have SafeMoon. Those are the ones I believe in. I got in. Over the next year, I told you my plan. I will take $1,000, put them into 10 different coins, and then let them sit for a year or two, and then see what they turn into. Other than that, I'm not going to rant and rave about fake made-up companies that have cool emojis and logos that y'all can keep parading around. Yes, you can run it up for a little bit, but the shit don't last forever. And what I truly, genuinely believe, how hype y'all are, and Most times when y'all see the shit on the news and on TV, it's too late. You want to be the people who get in ahead of the time, ahead of the curve. That's why um that's why I'm putting in the money on random coins. If you put $1,000 in random coins, you'll get in at the low, and then it'll grow. If the just like I explained on Instagram, if the company's going to go this high, right? You want to get in as low as you can. But if you getting in, if the company goes this high and you get in right here, all you're going to do is make this. So you want to get in at the lower point of it. So Shiba Inu is hitting all-time highs. So I'm not going to go toss a bunch of money in it. This nigga, man. I think Nando, are you on menopause? I think he's on menopause or something. Um, I hope you have a good day, Mendo. What the hell's name on? I'm showing you, I'm on a channel of my own showing you how to make free money, walking you through step by step on how to make free money. And this man said, I'm not positive. God bless you. Anywho, I love you. Shiba to me, it's not something I'm going to go toss a chunk of money in. But if I already had position in it, I would put money in it. But the first thing I would do is I would take some profit. All these people who think they know so much because they made money one time off of a random coin. Like you, I get it, my nigga. You like no matter what job you do, even myself, you just because you had a good month don't mean you know everything. Take your profits so you can let that money work for you. Take some profits out. If I had Shiba, the first thing I would do is take some of my profits. I would take some of my profits and let the rest of the shit cook. Let it cook. You never know what it's going to do. It could go up 1,000% again. I don't know, but I'm not going to start from zero and buying at all time high. That's my thoughts on it. I would not be putting all my money in it. I would have something in it, especially if you believe in it. Go ahead, do your thing, but you know, I wouldn't bank on it. Okay, I love you. Dump Cardano for dot. Nice. Thank you, Sesha. I appreciate you. Thank you, Lachey. I appreciate you too. Thank you for putting me on Mara. Shout out to you, Maurice. And y'all do me a favor. If y'all have been liking the channel, and you've made money with me at any time, if you've made money or you've improved your mindset, learned a new meal, anyway, drop an emoji for me here in the chat. Like the video for me. I want to see who actually has been enjoying the channel, who's been rocking out. I noticed that the live streams are getting bigger, so I'm very grateful and appreciative of that. I appreciate each and every one of you. Everybody who won the merch, I'll be emailing you the links today so you can order, pick your size, pick your custom shit that you want on it. It's dope. Thanks to Public for supplying us with the merch to do so. Remember, crypto is on Public now too. So those of y'all who have Public or you're just starting to invest, hop on Public. You can have your crypto there. Crypto is also on Robinhood. So either way you set, either which one of those platforms you want to choose to use. I use Webull for my chart reading. Some people use Thinkorswim. The more I get it involved into day trading, the more I'll put y'all up on game and let y'all know what tools I use, whatever. But again, I want y'all to see, please, let me show you just one of my most important tools that I still like to use. Please come over this way with me. It is tip ranks. This stock right here is going to show you what the projections. So this stock, it shows you, I'm on Mara. You can type in any stock on this. If you're on the go and you moving, you don't know if the stock you have is good or if it's bad or what have you. This is a literal thousands of investors, some of the biggest hedge fund investors that exist are on this. Ray Dalio's on here. You can see all these people portfolios. And you could type in the stock and it shows you the smart score is a 10. This is the best it can get. It shows you all the factors that go into making a smart score, the technical analysis, the fundamentals. What else goes into it? Let me see. The analysis, blogger opinions, the hedge fund activities, the insider activities. I mean, this shit is just crazy. And the interesting thing about this is that they believe Mara is actually going to go down to $62, back down to its original price. But I usually agree with tip ranks, but for Mara, since this is such a new style of investing with crypto, I think that as Bitcoin surges and pushes 100,000, I think Mara has a higher ability to go up to $100. I truly believe if Bitcoin touches 100,000 or even really 90,000, I think Mara's going to hit $100. and then the market cap will continue to raise. So that's why y'all are seeing the Shiba Inu, the popularity rise, because the market cap has risen. More people are investing in it. But once the popularity dies down, what is it contributing to Earth? What is it? We have a lot of meme stocks. Now I'm not saying it's not going to keep being fire, but in my opinion, I don't see that being a better investment. Tesla, companies that I've watched 2-3x. Mara, I've watched this company 3x in front of my eyes. Well, 2x. I've watched this 2x, and then in less than a year, it's 3x. So I would rather get into companies that are doing something for the world, that are actually meaningful, that I can read the charts and understand why, how this is going up. That's just my opinion, bro. Again, I'm not telling you not to do it. But TipRanks is the app you're going to want to use for this. It shows you the price predictions, what the news says about it. And last but certainly not least, it shows you investors just like us, the amount that we've been investing in these companies. Over the last week, almost 6% of accounts started carrying this in their portfolio, started carrying Mara. So this is dope. And look at your boy, huh? Look at your boy, a real investor. This is my page. If y'all want to see the investments I'm making on there, you can actually see this session, my actual page on TipRanks, and see I'm up 60%. Man, this is fucking incredible, because I was down bad, and I didn't used to even want to show y'all this. My overall user profile was terrible, to be honest with y'all. But now everything's green. Look at this. You got to stay down. So again, with your option plays, you don't have to wait until the expiration date to sell. Use your own judgment. Use the charts, all the things that I've shown you, man. And even the Discord, if you're not so familiar with when or when not to get out, check out the Discord. Maybe they'll be able to tell you, hey, I'm selling, I'm selling, I'm selling. And then you're able to get an idea of what's going on. So I love you. Hope you had a great day. Like the video for me. Let's get this to 100 likes while we're here, man. We got 120 of you in here. I hope you made some money. Giveaway coming on TikTok. That's coming up probably this week when I hit 7,000 followers. We're at 6,600. So check me out on TikTok at the Session CA, Instagram at the Session CA. If you want some of this new drip, this is the newest colorway, the blue colorway. Y'all see it? Can y'all see the back? I don't know if you can see it, but it got a butterfly on the back. Y'all probably can't see it, but the yellow butterfly is the newest colorway. It's right here, the yellow gold with the yellow butter. Come on now, stop playing with me. If you need that app, it's TipRanks. TipRanks link is in the description. I'm going to get you the biggest discount on TipRanks you can get. I got you an over $40 discount on TipRanks. If you need it, I got it below. If you get it, you're going to pay full price. You get what I'm saying? You're going to pay full price. I got you $40 off, so make sure y'all hit that. Robinhood, Public, all that free apps. I love you. Have a great day. Hit me up about anything y'all need on the DM, Instagram.